I'm going to create a gallery web page that uses React with TypeScript. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate the code. It's going to have next and previous buttons along the top and bottom, and you can pause and read my description. So I've copy pasted this into ChatGPT, and this is the code that it rendered. I sped it up and copy pasted that into VS Code. And you can see that it has placeholder data. So I'm going to paste in the actual image file names and the prompts that appear. These are Midjourney images and the prompts used to create them, creating a library so I can reference these prompts. Now I'm specifying that the images are all located in an images subfolder, but the data only has the image file name, but it's in the code it specifies the image subfolder. And I deleted width and height 100% style since I decided I don't need that. Now in app.tsx, I want to remove all the code that I don't need. Comes with some default code here, and what I want to do is import this gallery component and then add it to my JSX below. And you'll see Copilot, GitHub Copilot offering the suggestion, which I accepted. And let's check it out. And it worked. Got the next previous buttons. And if we scroll down, you can see the prompt used for Midjourney to generate these images. And what I do is I look for interesting images where I say to myself, hey, is this like an image type that I want to create in the future? And I can use these prompts as a reference. Or if I'm creating AI images for somebody on Fiverr, link in the description, I can reference these as well and maybe point my customer to these, and they can also use these as references to say, hey, I would like, for example, a logo to look like this. Or I would like, you can see, by Eliza Rosell, and you can just generate some art by your favorite artist. And so people can get ideas of what they'd like to create. And currently I have only 25 here. There is this one is a duplicate by accident, so I deleted that later. But I'm going to be adding more and more to this, and I'll probably have hundreds eventually. And it shows 10 per page with previous and next. But what I really forgot to add was I want on the top of each image it to say like image 1 of 25, image 2 of 25. So I added that line of code, and you can see it's now image 11 of 25, image 21 of 25. So I know which image number I'm looking at. And that's it. It works.